In this video, we are going to see how we can fix the grammar issues in Copilot. So let's get started. So basically we can fix any grammar or spelling issues with the help of Copilot. I can just write text here. Now, for example, I have mentioned a sentence here with some grammar or spelling mistakes, which says, fix the grammar and spelling from the following sentence. My name is Saad. So I've written extra S and I will be go to IBF college soon enough. Some people do this mistake in the grammar. So let's see how we can fix this with Copilot. So I've written this, click on submit. So here's the corrected sentence. My name is Saad. It has corrected the spelling and I will be going to IBF college soon enough. And it has corrected the spelling mistake in enough as well. And what you can also do is just copy this statement again, paste it right here. And then you can also ask to explain the mistakes. So let's write explain the mistakes of grammar and spelling in the above sentence. Hit enter. And now you can see it has completely explained you what is the spelling errors, how should it be mentioned, and what are the grammar errors, punctuation errors, and all. So it has guided you completely as well with the corrected sentence mentioned right here. So guys, this is how you can use the spelling and grammar corrector in Copilot. Just practice this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.